much more than a dressing, this is Gyeon Tire, an SiO2 infused tire protectant that will last you multiple washes. Its matte finish not only protects the tire, but provides a factory fresh look. If you're curious about what this product can do, just have a look at the benefit icons on its label. It's really important that the tires are clean and dry before you apply this product, so to do this, we recommend using Gyeon Tire Cleaner. You can let the product sit on the surface for a while and then follow it up with a wipe of an old towel to prevent the product from slinging onto your fenders.